Does ADT offer any warranty on their battery replacement services?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about an important question that many ADT customers often have. Does ADT offer any warranty on their battery replacement services?
What is ADT's battery replacement service?
ADT, one of the leading providers of security systems, offers battery replacement services to ensure uninterrupted operation of your home or business security systems. If you notice your system battery is low or dead, ADT provides a service to replace it for you.
Does ADT offer a warranty?
Now to the crux of the matter. Does ADT offer a warranty on their battery replacement services? The answer is yes. ADT does offer warranty protection on their battery replacement services. But remember, the terms and conditions of these warranties can vary.
What does the warranty cover?
ADT's warranty generally covers defects in materials and workmanship for a certain period of time. This means that if the replaced battery fails or is not working as it should, ADT will replace it at no extra charge under the terms of the warranty. However, this warranty does not typically cover issues that arise due to misuse, abuse, or failure to properly maintain the battery. And that's it. In conclusion, ADT does offer a warranty on their battery replacement services. If you have any more questions or need additional information, your best source would be to contact ADT's customer service directly. They can provide the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding your specific contract and warranty details. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay secure.